Hello everyone, my name is Miss Christina and I'm a teacher at home. Today's topic is bread. We will be creating rhyming words using the ingredients in a bread recipe. Before we get started, what is a rhyming word? Do you know? A rhyming word, two words that sound the same or have the same ending sound. Now let's take a look at that recipe and the ingredients that we are going to try to rhyme. We need 2 cups of warm water, half a cup of white sugar, 1½ tablespoons of active dry yeast, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 5 to 6 cups of all-purpose flour. So we will be rhyming water, sugar, yeast, salt, oil, and flour. My friend has come up with a fun poem to help us rhyme these words. Let's take a listen. To make bread, you need 2 cups of water. Reading the recipe, that's what it taught her. Now, taught her is 2 words, and water is 1. Water was a difficult word to rhyme, but taught her and water sound the same. Then add ½ cup of white sugar. Pour it gently. You're a great, what rhymes with sugar? Cooker. Sugar, cooker. Next comes 1½ tablespoons of active dry yeast. It's the most important step to say the, what rhymes with yeast? Least. Yeast, least. They have the same ending sound. Now just a little bit of salt, 1½ teaspoons, no more, just halt. Salt, halt. Here comes the liquid, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. This is just to mix, no need to oil and boil. Oil, boil. Finally, the biggest ingredient of all, the flour. Add 5 to 6 cups, then mix with all your flour and power. Those 2 words have the same ending sound. They rhyme. Now it's your turn. Go find words that you can rhyme. You could try your name or a recipe in your home. Never stop learning at home and have fun rhyming. Take care.